Okay, this is the first lesson in differentiation. It's a series of lessons where I'll go through very steadily the whole process of differentiation at GCSE or International GCSE. Accompanying this is a worksheet, Differentiation 1, and if you're one of my students you'll have a copy of that, or if you're watching this on YouTube, if you email me, I'll send you a copy of that worksheet. The worksheet there is to be found at the end of this, where I say what the questions are. I recommend that you pause the video, have a go yourself, and then you'll see where I've done the questions afterwards. Okay, let's start. Differentiate y equals x to the 7. Differentiate means find dy dx. As I said, I'm not going to explain the theory behind this, but it's a very simple process. The 7, the number there, comes in front, and then we take away 1 from the 7 to give 7x to the 6. So that's that 7 there, and that 6 is 1 minus that. Differentiate or find dy dx, because we have an equation here linking y and x, and we've been asked to find dy dx. Okay, so exactly the same as the last one. Dy dx is equal to the negative 2 goes in front, that's that number there, goes in front, and then we take away 1 from negative 2. Negative 2 take away 1 is negative 3. If y is equal to x to the 8, find dy dx. Okay, so y is equal to x to the 8. We're being asked to differentiate to find dy dx. This number goes in front of the x, and then we take away 1 to give us 8x to the 7. So again, y is equal to x to the negative 4. We want to differentiate to find dy dx. Dy dx is equal to that negative 4 goes in front, and then we take away 1 from negative 4, which is negative 5. Okay, this is the first part of the worksheet. I recommend you pause the video and have a go at the questions yourself. And then when you're ready, restart, and you'll see on the other page that I will do these questions for you. Okay, didn't realize it moved. Okay, dy dx. The 3 goes in front, and we take away 1 to give 3x squared. Number 2, the 5 goes in front, and we take away 1 to give 5x to the 4. Number 3, y is equal to x to the 6. Dy dx, put the 6 in front, and we subtract 1 from 6 to give us 5. Y is equal to x to the 10. 10 goes in front, take away from 1 from 10 to give us 10x to the 9. Okay, the first of the negative numbers, y is equal to x to the negative 1. So we put the negative 1 in front, and we take away 1 from negative 1, which is negative 2. Y is equal to x to the negative 3. Put the negative 3 in front, and we take away 1 to give us negative 4. Okay, these are the last 4 questions. Again, I recommend that you pause the video, have a go at the questions. Welcome back. Let me show you the answers. So again, y is equal to x to the negative 5. Put the negative 5 in front, and take away 1, which is negative 6. Y is equal to x squared. Put the, this is an interesting one actually, put the 2 in front, and take away 1 from 2, which is 2x to the 1, but we don't need to show the 1 there, so that's just 2x. Y is equal to x to the 4. Put the 4 in front when we differentiate, and take away 1 to give dy dx equals 4x cubed. And the final question, so y is equal to x to the negative 7, and we've been asked to find dy dx by differentiating. The negative 7 goes in front, and we take away 1 from negative 7 to give us negative 8.